Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. And today in this video I'm going to show you how to find out or how to see your WhatsApp backup in Google Drive. Actually we do backup in WhatsApp, but we don't know how to find out or how to see that backup in our Google Drive. So if you really want to learn how to do that, then please watch my full video carefully. So before starting the process, I'll ask you something that please subscribe my channel and give also like this video. So let's start the process. So for finding your WhatsApp backup, you need to go to first of all Play Store, and after that just update your WhatsApp application first. So after updating it, just click here open option, and then you need to click here three dot line, then click here settings, then scroll down and find out this chats option, then scroll down again and then click here chat backup. Then you can see there is one Google account. Okay, so what you need to do, if you don't have Google account, that time you need to click this section, then choose your that Google account, in which Google account you want to backup your chats. So after choosing it, just get back from here and you need to click this one which is automatic backups. Just choose it, then choose daily. Okay, and then get back from here, then select include videos, this option, just turn this on, and after that just turn these settings also on, which is backup using cellular data. I mean, if you turn it, that time if you don't have Wi-Fi, that time it will backup through using mobile data. Okay, so after doing all this thing, just click here backup option and wait for a few seconds. So you can see I just backup these chats. Okay, so right now what you need to do, just again go to Play Store, and after that just search here Drive, I mean Google Drive. Then you need to update this application, then just open it and wait for a few seconds. You can see there is the same Gmail I have. Okay, let me go back to my WhatsApp and make sure you have that same Gmail in your that Google Drive. You can see Saif Abdullah 00023 and you can find it in here. Just click on it, and if you don't have this same Gmail, that time you need to choose your that Gmail from your Gmail application. Okay, so after choosing it, just get back from here, and right now you need to click here this left corner three dot line. So let me click on it, and then you can see in there backups option. Okay, so right now you need to click on it, and after that you can see there is the WhatsApp. I already backup these chats, and this is the phone number I am using WhatsApp. Okay, so you can click on it, and after that you can see in there your chats and media including photos, videos, audio and documents are backed up on Google Drive. If you change device, you can now restore them when you reinstall WhatsApp. So you couldn't open it from there. What you can do, whenever you change your device, that time use just same Gmail, that time you can restore these chats in your new phone. Okay, and you can also delete your this chat backup from there. You can click delete backup, and that time your backup will be deleted. So that's it guys. So by this easiest process, you will find out your WhatsApp backup in your Google Drive. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you face any kinds of problem, then please let me know. I'll try my best to help you. Thanks, do comment, give like and do subscribe.